Children, today we will learn how to write number 8 in Maths class workbook, page number 5959. Children, T for tens and O for ones. Number 8 is single digit number. So, we will write number 8 below O. So, let's start. From the middle of the box, first we will make C curve. Then reverse C curve, go up and close it. Number 8. Again C curve, reverse C curve and close it. Number 8. Again C curve, reverse C curve and close it. Number 8. Again C curve, reverse C curve, go up and close it. Number 8. Again from the middle of the box we will make C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom line and close it. Number 8. Again C curve, reverse C curve and close it. Number 8. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom line and close it. Number 8. One more time. C curve, reverse C curve and close it. Number 8. One more time. C curve, reverse C curve, touch the bottom line, go up and close it. Number 8. Children, in this way you have to write number 8 here. Now children, we will do this part. So let's read it. Color 8 birds. So first we will count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 birds. But we have to color only 8 birds. So let's start. In this way you have to complete coloring the 8 birds.